Good morning, good morning. With more than 250 species of shells, Sanibel is known as a world-class shelling destination. Thousands of visitors come every year hoping to find anything from a common traverse arc to the prized Junonia shell. At the entrance to every public beach, there is a sign stating, "No live shelling." But did you know that this shelling regulation was not always in place? As we soar over the beautiful beaches, let me tell you the story. In the late 1980s, worried about the shell population, Sanibel petitioned the Florida Marine Fisheries Commission to restrict live shelling. As a result, the commission passed a special Sanibel shelling rule called the 46-26. This rule restricted live shell collection to 2 specimens of any 1 species per day. The 46-26 rule was in effect for 6 years. However, enforcement was virtually impossible, and collecting in excess of these limits occurred regularly. So in 1993, Sanibel further petitioned the Fisheries Commission to establish a complete ban on live shelling. This rule included shellfish, sand dollars, starfish, and sea urchins. After a public hearing, the rule was approved and went into effect on January 1st, 1995. Thanks to the conservation-minded islanders who pushed for Rule 46-26, we now have beaches with an abundance of shells and sea life, just waiting for you. My name is Nick Adams. Let's stop here. Look down to your left. 4 manatee enjoying the same beaches as us. Fantastic. My name is Nick Adams. Come and join me on the next one.